Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about Real Debrid. You've heard about it if you use Kodi, but is it worth your money? Let's find out. Real Debrid is a service that speeds up streaming and stops buffering. It acts as a bridge between you and file hosting sites. Instead of slow streams, you get high quality links. It works with over 50 file hosts, giving you HD streams without the wait. So, how does it work? When you click something in Kodi or Streamio, Real Debrid finds the best link. These show up with an RD tag. The service downloads files to their servers first, then streams to you at high speed. No more buffering. It also caches popular content, so even dead torrents work instantly. Let's talk cost. 15 days costs $3. 1 month is $4. Most pick the 90-day plan at $9 or 6 months for $17. That's under $5 monthly, way cheaper than Netflix. What's great? First, amazing speed, up to 1 gigabyte per second. Second, zero buffering. Third, tons more working links. Fourth, works with Kodi, Streamio, and Cinema HD. Fifth, easy setup. Sign up, enter a code, done. The downsides? Customer support doesn't really exist. People get banned for using VPNs, and Real Debrid faced legal trouble and blocked some content. File hosts go down for days, getting help is nearly impossible. Is it worth it? If you use Kodi regularly, absolutely. For under $5 monthly, you get better streams and no buffering, but watch out for poor support and legal issues. Want simple legal streaming? Stick with Netflix. For cord cutters who know their stuff, Real Debrid changes everything.